Okay, students, so today we have studied this chapter from your Essential English Flying, unit number 4, page number is 22. In this chapter, we have studied that he saw the earth as flat as a plate. He saw the earth in a very flat and in a very simple manner. It looked as if the house were only roofs because they were covered with the leaves of huge trees and bushes, and the roads looked like a narrow ribbon because Mickey Finch was flying in the air. And other than that, he saw the river as a silver track. He couldn't see Mickey Finch because he was in the bed with a cold, and he can't see the two sisters playing happy families as they watched the television. He could not see his kitten. So that was a very small chapter. That's all about this chapter. We have done the comprehension as well. The earth looked as flat as a plate. The river was like a silver track. The roads were as narrow as a ribbon. Mikey Finch was in bed with cold. His two sisters were playing. He could not see his kitten. Next, we have done these words ending where the train stops station. You ask this question, an inventor makes an invention. What you get at school, education. Something you watch, television. When something is divided, division. When something is extended, extension. When something explodes, explosion. This is the exercise similar to this one. We have to end these words with SION or TION. Then we have also did this page. This is your homework. You have to write the similes: as wise as an owl, as silly as donkey, as quiet as a night, as noisy as bird, as straight as a pencil, as crooked as a spider web, as fat as an elephant, as thin as a pin, as old as Adam, as young as a baby. That's it.